Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss sorting in C programming. So let's get started. Sorting is a process of arranging the data items in a particular order, either in ascending order or descending order. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss examples of sorting. So these are the few examples of sorting. So first one is bubble sorting, second one is selection sorting, third one is insertion sorting, and fourth one is quick sort, then heap sort, merge sort, counting sort, bucket sort, radix sort, and cell sort, and so on. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.